Oh boy. 4 o'clock. Nothing has changed. The snow just keeps coming and coming and coming, and the wind keeps blowing and blowing and blowing. When will this ever stop? I don't know. It seems like never. The drifts are just going to get higher and higher and higher. I don't know when you're going to get to leave your house. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous. Who gets this much snow? Not Baltimore, Maryland. But we did this time. Coming to you live, your man in the streets, Eric Fribush, bringing you updates throughout the storm. I think I might just lay down in the snow, let it hit my face. This is crazy, people. Yeah, I used to like snow, but this is just absolutely crazy. Keep tuning in live. I'm going to bring you updates. But I got to tell you, every hour, it's the same thing. Well, I guess keep tuning back.